Welcome back to The Lead. I'm Jake Tapper. We are in an unprecedented era where technology has vastly outpaced the ability of the public to recognize deep fakes.
Thiel created this fake video of President Obama to demonstrate how easy it is to put words in someone else's mouth.
Welcome to the future of video creation. Today we dive into OpenAI's latest innovation, Sora, and its rival, Hyper 2.0, as they redefine hyper-realistic video production. Are we approaching a time where AI can outdo human creativity? Stay tuned to uncover the revolution in AI-generated videos. The dawn of Sora, OpenAI's revolutionary step in video AI. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, OpenAI's latest innovation, Sora, stands out as a revolutionary step forward. This new AI tool is designed to convert text-based prompts into hyper-realistic videos with astonishing accuracy and depth. Sora leverages advanced deep learning techniques to interpret descriptive language, allowing it to generate video content that closely mimics real-world scenarios. From the serene ambience of natural landscapes to the bustling dynamics of city life, Sora's capabilities encompass a broad spectrum of environments and narratives. Its ability to craft videos with such detailed realism and emotional resonance opens up unprecedented opportunities for creators across various industries, including filmmaking, advertising, and content creation. As Sora continues to develop and refine its technology, it is poised to transform the traditional video production landscape, democratizing high-quality video creation and enabling users to bring their visions to life effortlessly. This marks a significant milestone in AI development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital media creation and setting a new standard for the future of creative technology. Competition rises, introducing Hyper 2.0. While OpenAI's Sora is a significant advancement in AI video generation, it is not without competition. Enter Hyper 2.0, a formidable new player in the AI arena. Developed by a competitive tech startup, Hyper 2.0 boasts faster processing speeds and improved efficiency in creating hyper-realistic videos. This AI system not only matches the video quality produced by Sora, but also claims to streamline the creation process, reducing the time and computational resources required. Introduction into the market poses a potential challenge to OpenAI's dominance, offering creators and businesses an alternative that emphasizes speed without sacrificing quality. The AI's enhanced ability to understand and execute complex visual prompts makes it particularly appealing for industries that rely heavily on visual content. As Hyper 2.0 gains traction, it will be interesting to see how it influences the competitive landscape of AI-driven video production and whether it will inspire further innovations within the field. Technical breakthroughs, Sora and Hyper 2.0 unpacked. Both OpenAI's Sora and its emerging rival, Hyper 2.0, exemplify the stunning advancements in AI technology, especially in the realm of video generation. Sora utilizes a sophisticated deep learning framework that allows it to interpret text prompts with high accuracy and transform them into visually compelling videos. This includes creating consistent characters, maintaining a coherent visual style across scenes, and handling complex emotional expressions. Despite its capabilities, Sora sometimes struggles with physical accuracy in dynamic scenes and maintaining realism over extended narratives. Hyper 2.0, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency and speed, optimizing the video creation process to handle even more complex sequences without the computational overhead. It boasts advancements that may allow it to bypass some of the current limitations seen in Sora, such as better handling of physical interactions and more accurate spatial awareness, which are critical for creating seamless video content from text descriptions. This technological edge could potentially make Hyper 2.0 a preferred choice for industries needing rapid content generation without compromising on quality. As both platforms evolve, they will continue to push the envelope on what AI can achieve in the creative domain. Industry revolution. AI's impact on creative fields. The introduction of AI technologies like Sora and Hyper 2.0 is set to revolutionize multiple industries, potentially transforming traditional workflows and production methods. Filmmaking, for instance, could see a shift towards AI-assisted editing and special effects, enabling creators to produce content faster and with fewer resources. In advertising, agencies might utilize these AIs to generate multiple ad variants quickly, testing different creative ideas at scale to see what resonates best with audiences. Additionally, the gaming industry could employ such technology to create dynamic game environments and non-player character interactions that are highly realistic and responsive to player actions. This shift is likely to democratize high-quality video production, making sophisticated visual storytelling accessible to smaller creators and firms, thus leveling the playing field and sparking a new wave of innovation in content creation. Ethical dilemmas and safety measures. However, the capabilities of AI like Sora and Hyper 2.0 also raise significant ethical concerns. The ease of creating hyper-realistic videos can lead to the proliferation of deepfakes, which could be used to spread misinformation or conduct fraud. Recognizing these dangers, companies like OpenAI are proactively implementing advanced safety measures. These include developing detection tools that can identify AI-generated content and embedding metadata to track a video's origins. Moreover, as part of their commitment to responsible AI usage, these firms are engaging with ethicists and policymakers to shape guidelines that ensure AI advancements benefit society without infringing on individual rights or integrity. Ensuring the ethical deployment of AI technologies remains a critical challenge, and the industry's response to these issues will likely influence public trust and regulatory landscapes globally. Safety first. OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI use. As OpenAI launches its innovative AI technology, Sora, the company is keenly aware of the potential for misuse in creating misleading or harmful content. To address these concerns, OpenAI has implemented several safety measures designed to ensure responsible use of their AI capabilities. One key strategy involves the integration of detection tools that can accurately identify videos generated by AI, helping to prevent the spread of deepfakes. Additionally, OpenAI plans to incorporate C2PA metadata into videos created with Sora, which will allow verification of the content's origin and authenticity. These safety protocols are being developed in collaboration with industry experts and red teamers who rigorously test the AI's outputs for vulnerabilities related to misinformation, bias, and ethical issues. Public and expert reactions: embracing or bracing. The response to the advent of AI technologies like Sora and Hyper 2.0 has been mixed, reflecting a broad spectrum of opinions across the tech community and the public at large. Industry experts and AI enthusiasts have largely praised these innovations for their potential to transform content creation and democratize high-quality video production. At the same time, there is a palpable concern among some stakeholders about the implications these technologies may have on job markets, particularly in creative fields. There is also a significant debate about the ethical use of such powerful tools, especially concerning the creation and dissemination of deepfakes. To address these concerns, OpenAI and other companies are actively participating in discussions with policymakers to develop robust regulatory frameworks that ensure the safe and ethical deployment of AI technologies. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's groundbreaking journey in video production. As we've seen, the future holds incredible potential for both creativity and ethical challenges. Keep watching, keep questioning, and subscribe for more insights on how technology continues to reshape our world.
Thank you for watching Top AI. See you in the next AI story.